Hi, today I'm making mini raspberry pies. It's a summertime tradition to make some type of berry pie over the summer season, and as we draw to a close, I thought these little mini pies would be great to demonstrate. So I'm going to begin with a cup and a half of raspberries, fresh raspberries. Um, it's going to be 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, as well as at least a quarter cup to a half a cup of sugar. It really depends on how sweet you like the pie. Next, what we're going to do is after those berries have sort of been rinsed and cleaned, I'm going to put them in a bowl and actually mix them with all of the ingredients. So the cornstarch is what I'm going to add first. I'm then adding the sugar. I have squeezed in the 2 teaspoons of lemon juice from my fresh lemon and begin to mix that all together. Next, I've taken my large muffin tin. So this is not the smaller one, this is large. And I've prepared that tin. And once again, I'm using a Pillsbury dough that's already ready to go. And I'm going to cut the circles. I have a bowl that I use to cut out the circles. And those are going to be sort of the base for the mini pies. I've draped the rounded pie circles, for lack of a better word, into the muffin tins, and I'm now scooping in the fresh raspberry mixture. I've also taken some of that dough and cut into thin strips because these are going to drape the pie. And so as you can see, I have added the thin strips both vertically and horizontally. I've mixed 1 egg and did a little bit of an egg wash on top. I've sprinkled some of my sparkling sugar on top of that raw dough, and then I've baked this pie at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. Now, depending on how hot your oven gets, you probably want to keep an eye on it. I just want it to be lightly golden brown and to make sure that the berries were cooked. It was delicious. It was a little tart, so I probably would go with more toward the half a cup of sugar as opposed to a quarter cup. But they were perfect with the ice cream that we served, and my guests loved them.